Nokia 8 Sirocco is now available to buy in the UK. The Nokia 8 Sirocco was announced a while back, but so far you haven't been able to buy it in the UK. That's now changed, as the flagship phone is now officially available. Coming in at £649 and available only in black, the Nokia 8 Sirocco is being stocked by various retailers, such as Amazon and Carphone Warehouse. That price puts it on a par with the likes of the Huawei P20 and sees it undercut many flagships, such as the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and iPhone X, but still makes it more expensive than the OnePlus 6, which has just been announced. Feature-packed and comes with a freebie. Still, the Nokia 8 Sirocco has some features that could help it justify the higher price, as for example it sports a 5.5-inch QHD OLED screen, water resistance, 12MP dual lens cameras, wireless charging and a high-end metal and glass build, though its 6GB of RAM is joined by a slightly dated Snapdragon 835 chipset. Our hands-on review highlighted that and the lack of a 3.5mm headphone port as the main issues with the phone, but if you can live with that, the Nokia 8 Sirocco could be worth a look, as it's the highest-end Nokia handset yet. Plus, if you buy it before June 14th you can also get a free Google Home Mini, while stocks last, which usually costs £49 and is a pretty decent way to make your home a bit smarter.